When I look back at my school days, there's one thing I wish I'd understood sooner. Just how important it is to respect our teachers. Seriously, teachers aren't just people who stand at the front of the class and give us homework. They're mentors. They're guides. They're the ones cheering us on, even when we don't see it. So today, I want to share 10 simple, powerful ways to show respect for your teacher. Things anyone can do, starting right now. First, listen attentively. Put your phone away, look up, really focus. Giving someone your full attention tells them, I value what you're saying. Second, follow classroom rules. Rules can be annoying, but they help everyone learn, including you. When you stick to them, you show your teacher you care about the class and making things better for everyone. Third, be punctual. Arriving on time might seem small, but it sends a huge message. You respect your teacher's time, and you're ready to learn. Fourth, do your work. Homework isn't always fun, but giving your best effort and turning things in on time shows your teacher you're taking their lessons seriously. Fifth, participate and ask questions. Don't just sit there. Get involved. If you don't understand something, ask. Teachers love seeing students who care and want to learn more. Sixth, use good manners, please. Thank you. Excuse me. Being polite and courteous in class makes a difference. It's just basic respect. Seventh, avoid disruptions. It's tempting to whisper with friends or send a quick text. But when you keep distractions low, you help your teacher do their job and keep the class focused. Eighth, be kind and polite. Treat your teacher how you'd want to be treated. A smile, a kind word, these little things matter more than you think. Ninth, show gratitude. A simple thank you after class can make a teacher's whole day. If something they taught made a difference, tell them. They'll appreciate it. 10th, be a helpful person. Offer to hand out papers, tidy up the classroom, help a classmate who's struggling. It shows you're committed to making the whole learning environment better. So whether you're in elementary school, high school, or even college, these 10 steps aren't just about being a good student. They're about being a good person. And by showing respect for your teachers, you're building something amazing. Not just for them, but for yourself too. Thanks for listening. Now go out there and make your teachers proud.